Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take rice purity test on TikTok. So first step you need to do is to open any browser and search for rice purity test, and here you can see different websites. So the best to get the best results, you simply need to add .com and you can open any website. So I'm going to open the second one, and here you can see that you need to answer all the questions with yes or no. So then you need to click on next, and here you can see different questions, and then you simply need to complete all the questions, and after that you have your score, and then you can use that score to publish your video on TikTok for the trend. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.